Welcome to Hotstone Media. Disclaimer, read this, understand it, take it seriously, you've been warned. This video highlights a faulty brand new water pump supplied by a customer that was installed. The video demonstrates how to test the pump's water flow and compares its performance to a properly functioning pump installed in another vehicle. Please note that both engines are cold, so the thermostats remain closed during the test. Additionally, the thermostat in the affected vehicle was replaced beforehand to rule out the possibility of it being faulty or stuck open.
Okay, start the car. Yeah, no water coming from the thingy pipe. Running the water pump. Okay, leave it. Next car, come on, continuous recording. This is a different car. Same thing. Pipe taken out from the water pump. Yeah, start. Yeah, water comes out straight away when it's on idle. See, water pump spinning, water coming out on idle. Different car. Okay, you can switch it off. Go to the next car. Still no water coming from the pump. And the pipe's not blocked because when we blow air for it, it goes through. If you blow air from the other side, the water comes out. And if you press accelerator, then it comes. Press accelerator. Yeah, now it comes. Okay, let go. That's fine. Switch it off.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video enjoyable and the information helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and helps me keep creating more content like this. Every viewer matters, and I truly appreciate you being here. Thank you.